Hi LinkedIn, it's me Elena Kyria and I'm back in time for International Women's Day. The theme this year is breaking the bias, and on the topic of bias, here is a very common question I'm asked. Including a headshot on your CV or resume, to do or not to do? This is a very important and cultural topic. So what I have to say might be a little bit controversial for some of you. In countries like the US or the UK, it's standard to absolutely not include a headshot on your CV, but it is extremely common to do so in Europe, especially in countries like Germany, France, Switzerland. Now, you might think it's a nice idea to have a face to put to a name. Having a nice smile will make you come across as friendly and professional, and it will complete your profile. And if you're applying for a senior role, well, it's an absolute must to have that power pose. But consider this. Unless you're an actor, no employer should include judgments about your appearance when they are assessing your suitability to do the role. When you include your headshot, you allow them to do just that, even if it's subconscious. You give them an opportunity for superficial bias based on how you look. They're too old, too young, too pretty, too ugly. Now, we live in a multimedia age, so if somebody wants to find a photo, it won't be too hard. Most of us have it on our LinkedIn profile, and the company will find out soon enough if they invite you to an interview. But if you're a candidate, here's my advice. If you want to be judged purely on your skills and experience, don't include a headshot on your CV. If you're a hiring manager wanting to get involved and break the bias, ask that your recruiter or your HR sends you blind CVs without photos. So, over to you, LinkedIn. Do you include a headshot on your CV? Has it helped or hindered you? And if you're a hiring manager, do headshots help inform your decisions about whether or not to take a candidate through to the interview round? I'm interested to know your opinions. Comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye.